Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this marker airbrush gun. Really cool tool. It transforms your markers into paint. So you can put a marker in and then airbrush the paint. So you can use it on paper, you can even airbrush clothes if you want, shoes, handbags, anything pretty much. So it's really nice, easy to use. It comes with 3 different tips for you to use. It comes with a tester pen and 1 pen that you can make your own marker, right? You can add your own ink to it. And then it comes with the charger and a box for you to put everything away when you're done. Simple to use. She's going to show you how simple it is. You can use any marker too, like any of your markers to put in there. This is just a tester marker. So this is really cool. So she's going to show you.
So first you have to put this tip of the marker inside.
You can put either tip, right? Yeah, you can do any tip, but.
And then you pick your like your tip to put in, and then you take this black thing and you screw it on.
Yeah. Okay. Just make sure it's not too forward so it doesn't start like foaming. And then you turn this on to max, and then when you're ready to paint, then you press the button and it starts spraying. So she's going to show you guys, but overall, great product, right? It works amazing. We highly recommend it, and we hope you enjoy. Bye.